Welcome back to Guide to Fluency. Learning Spanish as a second language can be a challenge for lots of reasons, or you may even be having trouble determining how your preferred way of learning can be used to study the language. But don't worry, learning Spanish is different for everyone. Here are 3 tips to help make your Spanish learning journey easier for you. Tip number 1, set realistic goals for yourself and make a plan. Depending on the level of fluency you would like to reach, plan how you would like to get there. Of course, the overall goal is to learn Spanish, but it's easier to track your progress when you plan it out. Maybe your goal is to be able to speak conversational level Spanish. To better reach that goal, you could map out how much time you can dedicate to learning vocabulary or practicing common phrases throughout your week. If you're planning on learning Spanish by a certain time, planning is crucial. Tip number 2, practice grammar basics. Grammar seems daunting when you're learning a new language, but familiarizing yourself with basic grammar rules can improve your understanding immensely. Not only will it help your understanding of conversations, but it can help build your confidence to join into a Spanish conversation. Tip number 3, expose yourself to media in Spanish. Listening to a radio station in Spanish or a podcast can help you test your listening and comprehension skills. Turning the captions to Spanish while you're watching your favorite show or movie can also help you familiarize yourself with new phrases and vocabulary. Simulating an immersive environment by using apps and integrating Spanish into your day passively can greatly improve your understanding and can even help aid your pronunciation. At the end of the day, no matter where you are in your Spanish learning journey, patience and persistence is key. Happy learning. Adios.